been able to look at some of the issues, security issues in Kisii, which we want to address, especially violent crimes, murders, homicides, femicides, as well as family-related violence. There is a bit of that here. We've had incidents, and we thought we'd put our heads together and come up with a strategy on how we confront these criminal incidents, so that we secure Kisii and make it a good place and make the people of Kisii go about their businesses without fearing criminals. You know, we cannot talk of a secure Kenya if any part of the country is not secure. So we must make sure every county is safe, is secure, and therefore that's why we are here. We have also looked at the increasing incidents of violence in political activities, which is unacceptable, because politics is a healthy and democratic activity. It is allowed by the Constitution. Our Constitution in Article 4 provides that Kenya is a multi-party democratic state, and therefore politics is a constitutional and legal activity. It is allowed. What is not allowed, and what therefore is worrying us, is people who want to hide behind politics to perpetuate crime. And of late we have seen a bit of violent behavior in political meetings, and as the security managers of the country, we want to make it clear that we will not permit any person to hide behind politics to break the law and to inflict violence on the people of Kenya.